how to delete chat history on Viber. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your chat history, whether you want to clear one chat, multiple chats, or your entire message history. It's simple, so let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your device. Once you are inside the home screen, find the chat you want to delete. Once you have found the conversation that you want to delete, press and hold the chat. A various setting menu will pop up on your screen. There you'll see delete chat option. Tap on it. A pop-up icon will appear on your screen asking you to confirm to delete. Tap on delete. And that's it. That's how you delete your chat history on Viber, whether you are tidying up a few conversations or starting fresh. Now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.